stop here a little bit. Then after we go again. Now we arrive na in Binyan. Oh my God, long drive. Wait. Now I'm here at the market. Look guys, a place of Binyan market. I'm going here the inside because I'm gonna find the ingredients of halo-halo. Ate, magkano saging? Ah, 250. 50. Halo ko siya sa halo-halo. Yan, tig-2. Ate, magkano sa langka? Binibenta rin yung langka? 68 pesos. 68. Because tomorrow I'm gonna sell halo-halo. Very hot tattoo. That's my daughter, Jerin. Wait a minute. 70 ang kilo sa kamote. Wait a minute. Ay, kamote. Mas masarap ang pula. Sa obi po, magkano po yung kilo? Ate, ito nga po sa akin, no? Yan lang. Yan. This is the place of Binyan. Okay, guys. I need to go na. I need to focus here. Okay, guys. I need to go na. I need to focus here. Bye. I love you all.